Now today we are going to learn question formations. Now what are the questions? Generally, who, whose, whom, which, what. These are based on personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Except it remaining belong to persons. Who, human being. Whose, human being. Whom, also human being. See, for example, who am I? Who belongs to person. Here examples are given. Who is he? Whose is this book? Whom did you see? Regarding things or information which is there, what is this? See, who question word. Who is question word. Is helping word. Is subject. Then question mark is there. This one is similar. This one is similar. This one is similar. See here, whose question word, helping word, book is a noun, this is adjective. Now regarding this one, question word, did is helping word, you subject, see main verb. These are the question structure. According to adjective, what is adjective? Adjective is a word which describes either noun or a pronoun. See here, noun books, books, here book. Before the word, question words are working as adjective. See, which books are you reading? Which books are you reading? This is a question word. Actually, it is adjective. This adjective word working as question word. Question word, it is working as adjective, noun plus helping verb, subject V4. And what books have you read? Adjective, noun, helping verb, subject V3. Whose book is this? Before the noun, whose is working as adjective, interrogative adjective, helping verb, subject. This is a pronoun according to parts of speech. Now another example is, how many books are there? See, books are working as noun. How many? Total one word. Combination of two words. Question word, it is working as adjective. Or helping verb, had verb there. How many books are there? This is also one type of question. Now according to adverbs, adverb of place, where. Adverb of time, when. Adverb of reason, why. Adverb of manner, how. Mainly where, when, why, how. These are the adverbs. For example, adverb of place, where are you? Adverb of time, when will you meet me? Adverb of reason, why are you talking? Adverb of manner, how did you complete? Adverb of degree, how high is he? Adverb of frequency, how often does he read? How long have you been living here? These are the question words. Now according to simple present tense, for example, she plays cricket. Cricket is underlined word. What does she play? Then answer is cricket. Otherwise, what game does she play? Answer is cricket. Now she plays cricket, underlined word is she. Who plays cricket? Answer is she. She plays well. Underline word is well. How does she play? Answer is underlined word. Now question formation structure is question word either do or does, subject V1 object. Okay. Does is used for he, she, it. For remaining pronouns I, we, you, they, do is suitable. Now simple past tense according to they met him yesterday. Yesterday refers to adverb of time. So then we should use when. When did they meet him? This is verb form 2. Then we should use helping verb is did. When did they meet him? Question mark. Simple future tense regarding he will come tomorrow. This is also adverb of time. This is underline word. Then when will he come? Question mark. Present continuous tense. I am reading science book. This is underline word. Then what am I reading? Then answer is science book. Once you recall the answer, when will he come? Tomorrow. When did they meet him? Yesterday. Now past continuous tense. They were dancing. Dancing is underline word. What were they doing? He will be studying IAS. IAS is underline word. What will he be studying? Regarding present perfect tense. She has come here. Here person. So who has come here? Don't change tense. According to tense only we have to write. They had done the work. What had they done? The answer is the work. Now, I shall have completed the work. The work is underlined word. What shall I have completed? First helping verb, second helping verb. Both of them called as compound helping verb, main verb. Now, we have been working for 10 years. 10 years is underlined word. How long have we been working? Question mark. Next, second model based on primary helping verbs. It is at railway station. Railway station is underlined word. Where is he? They were in Mumbai. Mumbai is the underlined word. Where were they? Question mark. Then answer is Mumbai. They are good friends. They is underlined word. Who are good friends? Now, I have a book. I have a book. Book is underlined word. What do I have? She has a car. Then what does she have? Not has. And whenever you find have or has, helping verbs are either do or does. Either do or does. Whenever you find had, helping verb is did. Okay. This is for only have or has. This is for had. This is for had. Example, they had 5 cars. How many did they have cars? Okay. How many refers to a numbering. So that how many did they have cars? Regarding modal verbs. Example 1. He can lift the box. The box is underlined word. What can he lift? What can he lift? Then answer is the box. Okay. Based on passive voice form, the book was given by him. It is passive voice form. The book is underlined word. What was given by him? Then answer is the book. Based on indirect speech, He said that he was fine. So that he was fine is underlined word. What did he say? Then answer is he was fine. Now small exercise. Mohan lives in Mumbai. He has good friends. He studied well in his school days. He goes to office daily for work. Mohan is underlined word. Who lives in Mumbai? Where does Mohan live? Where does Mohan live? Answer is Mumbai. It is present tense, simple present tense. Then you should use does. Okay, does plus V1. Does is used for it. Third one, good friends. What kind of friends does Mohan have? Here has is given, simple present tense, so that we are using does. Next one, well. See, how did Mohan study? How did Mohan study? Answer is well. Next underline word is for work. Why does Mohan go to office daily? Answer is for work. See, does is used for EC, do is used for I, we, they, you, did is used for all pronouns and noun. All these main verb is one.